Bullish Torrential Slide, AVAX, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $78.50 and $170.96 by 2030. Market examiners accept Avax could reach $78.50 by 2025. Bearish Torrential Slide market cost expectation for 2022 is $13.96. Torrential Slide, AVAX, presentation. Torrential Slide was made to resolve the issues of versatility and exchange speed that have tormented Ethereum. It is one of only a handful of exceptional blockchain stages that considers really decentralized applications, as well as custom blockchain networks. Its high exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second makes it a reasonable contender to Ethereum. Torrential Slide was established by 3 PhD moves on from Cornell College. The Torrential Slide convention depends on research directed by the group while at Cornell. The group accepts that they have tracked down an answer for the blockchain trilemma, the issue of how to all the while accomplish versatility, security, and decentralization. What is Torrential Slide, AVAX? Torrential Slide is a Layer 1 blockchain that fills in as an establishment for circulated applications and private blockchain networks. One of Ethereum's rivals tries to expel Ethereum as the most broadly utilized blockchain for brilliant agreements. While keeping up with versatility, it expects to do this by having a bigger exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second. Torrential Slide, AVAX, crucial examination. Torrential Slide is a cutting-edge stage for decentralized finance, DeFi, and installments. Its primary point is to make these exchanges safer, effective, and available to everybody. The Torrential Slide network is based on 3 support points: security, solidness, and decentralization. It utilizes state-of-the-art advancements, for example, agreement conventions and cryptography to accomplish its objectives. Up until this point, the stage has been exceptionally fruitful in drawing in clients and engineers. As a matter of fact, it is one of the quickest developing DeFi stages with more than $5 billion worth of resources secured in its savvy contracts. There are a few justifications for why Torrential Slide could be a wise venture. First, the group behind the venture is exceptionally capable and has areas of strength for a record in their business. Second, the stage is continually advancing and adding new elements that make it more alluring to clients. Third, Torrential Slide serious areas of strength for has with probably the greatest names in the crypto space, which provides it with a ton of perceivability and reliability. The Torrential Slide network utilizes an agreement calculation called Snowman, which depends on the United Byzantine Understanding, FBA. FBA is a kind of agreement calculation that considers trustless and non-concurrent correspondence between hubs in an organization. It is additionally impervious to Sybil assaults, implying that it is safer than different conventions like confirmation of work, POW, and verification of stake, POS. Torrential Slide likewise has an exceptional element called virtual chains, which considers every hub in the organization to run its own blockchain, free of the others. This implies that every hub can tweak its settings and rules without influencing the remainder of the organization. This makes Torrential Slide more adaptable and versatile than other blockchains, since every hub isn't restricted by the standards of the whole organization. Torrential Slide, AVAX, current cost. Torrential Slide is at present worth $17.44. Avax has moved 2.31% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $259,346,747. Torrential Slide is at present position 16 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $5,190,310,752. Torrential Slide, AVAX, value forecast 2022. Torrential Slide, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. AVAX. The Avax cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $26.17. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $24.42 in cost is very aggressive, However, it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Avax is supposed to have a base worth of $20.93. Torrential Slide, Avax, Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Torrential Slide Avax cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Avax will before long outperform $43.61. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Avax's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Avax will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $34.89 and a typical exchanging cost of $38.38. Torrential Slide, Avax, Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $61.06 and Avax might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Avax is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $55.82 and a low of $52.33 in 2024. Torrential Slide, Avax, Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that Torrential Slide effectively supports market feeling among digital money aficionados, the Avax coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Avax will be green in 2025. The Avax is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $78.50. With a base cost of $69.78 and a typical cost of $73.27. Torrential Slide, Avax, Value Forecast 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Avax cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $90.71 by 2026. With a base cost of $87.22 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Avax has a most extreme value worth of $95.95. Torrential Slide, Avax, Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $108.16. On the off chance that Avax figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $113.39. Neglecting to accumulate the help Avax needs by 2027 could bring about